Wow, at Maria Atiasa manalo angat ang ganda at agaw patsin pa ang kanyang latest photo para sa Miss Universe 2024. Narito ating panoorin.
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Can't twist myself at the
Mga
spine.
Bioconeras, don't forget to hit the notification bell para updated kayo lagi sa aming mga bagong videos.